Right now we're walking to my first ever abandoned subway tunnel system. Never been in one in my life. It's very dark though. I don't know, just enjoying my last day here. This is one of the oldest subway tunnels in North America, and we're just walking through it right now. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious?
You just lost your shoe?
Bro, can you grab that?
Dude, you just got owned, man.
Okay, that's a little funny, okay? That is a little funny.
You stepped in dog shit this morning.
Dude, you're getting owned all left and right.
This is not cool. Finding a bunch of random gloves and other worker things related. It's cool because we hear the subway in the back and it's like screeching from the brakes, and we're just all rolled up, squatted up here. It's like a horror movie.
Okay, so just walk in the darkness.
Yeah, we're just literally walking underground in darkness.
Which one are we going, left or right?
It's up to you guys.
I don't know. I'm down to go right for a little bit. And this goes down for miles. We don't even know how far it actually goes because we haven't explored it all. But apparently we're gonna keep walking right up in like this little room area. And that's what we're doing. Wow, look at this side. Look at this. I don't even know. Dude, it's an old like, is this for babies maybe? Dude, this thing is freaking, looks like from the Titanic. Yeah. I mean, we could have stuff from this city just trashed down here for years and years. Could be like artifacts, you know? Yeah.
As if a huge crash happened.
So now it's a little flooded, plus this water's nasty. If it wasn't for this light, we'd be in pitch black right now. Yeah, that's how old, yeah, these rails are, these rails feels like freaking, like we're walking on like potato chips. Like they're just crunching and they feel soft. This is steel. It's a second level. So wait, this is the room you're talking about? Oh dude, we gotta try to get up there. Dude, this dust is ridiculous. Wow. I gotta get over there. Nothing's over there?
Nothing. It's outside, actually.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you can hear it. Yep, that's the outside. The dust is so bad here. This is like 100 years, if not more, of just dust piled upon dust and dust, layers and layers. Look at this. But look where it's leading us to. What is that? That sign down there. We're at the end of it now. It's very quiet, but it's just more tunnels of subways. I was hoping to find like a secret room maybe that's still here, that controlled this place maybe, like a control room, but couldn't find nothing. I'm gonna head back. We're gonna go climb some roofs and call it. Just a short video. I wasn't even gonna vlog today. It's just we're doing some cool stuff. And I said, I should just take my camera out and record it. But yeah, this is the kind of stuff I've always do. Like, I don't just record for YouTube for views. Like, this is what I've been doing since I was 17. I'm never gonna stop. Like, I just love doing the whole adrenaline rush, exploring everything I could find, and I just love it. It's not for the views. Like, people think I do this stuff, oh, you just want views, you just want this. No, man, this is just who I am. Everybody left me. I'm literally all alone now. God damn. Okay, time to get back. Can't believe I'm all alone in this situation right now. All I hear is the sound of the water drops now. Right now we're working on taking some long exposure shots inside this tunnel. When you go urban exploring, you gotta just ignore the dirt and the dirtiness because it's gonna happen. It's part of the game here. I just found this on the ground. It looks like someone just made like a dagger, like some sort of weapon or sword. Look at this. Look at these spider webs. They turn completely black from just the dirt in the air. Hey man, nice to meet you. Dude, we have to climb 30 floors. We're climbing 30 floors. Fine. Yes. Okay, so I have to climb a ladder, and I'll make it. Yeah, boy. This is why we do roof-topping. Not only for the crazy adrenaline rush and the excitement, but we get these sick-ass views. Woo! It's so funny because like everyone we've been meeting so far here has heard of me from Instagram or just seen my YouTube videos. So like everywhere I went so far during this whole trip, which I never recorded, someone has knew me and talked to me. It's crazy how everyone watches YouTube videos. But we're getting out of here. Time to get some dessert and head out of here. I leave for Bali tomorrow.